Hello, Alex Marshall here. Just asked you to come out Thursday. Come give us the support. You don't really need it. Big up, King. King. Blessings, Jamaica. Adrian Reed here. Happy to be a part of the squad for the first time. Just asking for your support. June 6 against Damrep. Let's go.
Hello, Michael Antonio here. Just to say, pleasure be here playing again, and I'll see you guys Thursday.
Yo everyone, Bobby Reed here. Just want to say love and respect to everyone. Come out and support. We want to see you here, and let's have a good campaign.
Yes, my peoples, Dan Johnson here. Just want to say thank you for the support and everything that you lot have done for us over the last couple of years. Appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you all in these next 2 games. Big up.
Hey guys, I'm happy to be in the squad. Please come out and give us your support on June the 6th.
So man, looking forward to y'all support at the stadium here in Jamaica, Kingston. Yes, Jamaica fans, big up yourself. Happy to be here. Come out and support us on the 6th.
Yes, Jamaica fans, big up yourself. Happy to be back here again. Come support us boys on the 6th of June against the Dominican Republic. See you there.
Hello, Alex Marshall here. Just asked you to come out Thursday. Come give us the support. You don't really need it. Big up, King. King.